WordPress is a popular content management system, CMS, that allows users to create and manage websites, blogs, and online platforms with ease. It is an open source software, which means it is free to use, modify, and distribute. WordPress powers over 40% of websites on the internet, making it one of the most widely used CMS platforms. WordPress hosting options. Shared hosting. This is the most affordable option where multiple websites share server resources. It is suitable for beginners with small websites or blogs. Virtual Private Server, VPS hosting. In VPS hosting, a single physical server is divided into multiple virtual servers. This offers more control and better performance than shared hosting, but it is more expensive. Managed WordPress hosting. Managed WordPress hosting providers take care of server management, security, and backups, allowing you to focus on content creation. This option is more expensive but offers better performance and support tailored for WordPress users. Dedicated hosting. This is the most powerful and expensive hosting option, where an entire server is dedicated to your website. It is suitable for high-traffic websites that require maximum control and resources. Cloud hosting. Cloud hosting services distribute your website across multiple servers, providing increased flexibility, vast scalability, and reliability. Prices vary depending on the resources you need. Performance optimization tips for WordPress in 2024. Choose a reliable hosting provider. Select a hosting provider that specializes in WordPress hosting and offers fast loading speeds, reliable uptime, and good customer support. Use a lightweight theme. Opt for a clean, well-coded WordPress theme that is optimized for speed and performance. Avoid using heavy themes with lots of unnecessary features. Optimize images. Compress and resize your images to reduce their file size without sacrificing quality. This will help speed up your website's loading time. Minimize HTTP requests. Reduce the number of HTTP requests by combining multiple CSS and JavaScript files into one, using CSS sprites, and minimizing the use of external scripts and plugins. Enable caching. Caching stores a temporary version of your website on the user's computer or browser, reducing the amount of time it takes to load your site. Use caching plugins like WP Supercache or W3 Total Cache. Optimize database. Regularly clean up and optimize your WordPress database by removing unnecessary data such as revisions and spam comments. Use plugins like WP Optimize or WP Database Manager. Use a content delivery network, CDN. A CDN distributes your website's content across multiple servers, reducing the load on your hosting server and improving website speed for users in different geographical locations. Services like Cloudflare or KeyCDN can be integrated with WordPress. Implement lazy loading. Lazy loading is a technique that defers the loading of non-critical resources, such as images and videos, until they are needed. This can significantly improve page load times. Use plugins like Lazy Load by WP Rocket or BJ Lazy Load. Keep WordPress themes and plugins updated. Regularly update your WordPress core, themes, and plugins to benefit from performance improvements, security patches, and bug fixes. Use a secure socket layer SSL certificate. SSL encrypts data transmitted between your website and users' browsers, enhancing security and potentially improving search engine rankings. Obtain an SSL certificate from your hosting provider or a third-party service. Monitor your website performance. Regularly check your website's performance using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, or Pingdom. This will help you identify areas for improvement and ensure your site remains optimized. Choose the right plugins. Only install essential plugins that serve your website's purpose, as too many plugins can slow down your site. Also, ensure the plugins you use are well-coded and regularly updated. By following these performance optimization tips, you can create and maintain a fast, secure, and user-friendly WordPress website in 2024.